yourself! Vegeta's world-famous gourmet rice omelet.
Do you even know how to crack an egg?
Silence! You can do this. Fingertips only. Careful now. Gently. Gently, like holding a child. Come on, you weakling shelf.
This might be a good time to go.
How disappointing. I was hoping he'd actually pull something off.
Wait, don't leave.
Give it up, Vegeta. We both know you've never cooked a rice omelet in your life.
You've got some nerve criticizing my cooking skills, Miss Microwave Dinner!
Like anime. Follow me.